Hey, this is Lily's Touch once again. Thank you for tuning in into my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I installed a full lace curly hair, and I'm going to show you guys how I cut it into a short style. It is so cute for the summer. Hope you guys enjoy the video. I just noticed that I deleted the clip showing how I applied the glue. I am so sorry about that. I am very upset, but we got to get this going. So now I'm pretty much going around the edges to make sure that I applied more lace glue on the areas that missed it when I did the lace glue application earlier that we deleted by mistake. Yeah, so I'm making sure the edges are secure so that everything could lay nice and flat. Another thing, you have to make sure you are very light with the glue when you are using it, because one thing you don't want to do is for it to be bulky and messy and just, you don't want to create a mess on the hairline. So please be very neat, very cautious when you are doing a glue application, because that can make your install just don't look right, cakey. You don't want that. So be very light when you are laying the glue on the skin. So now we are cutting. As you notice that I separated the top of the hair on top, because I don't want to cut the top as short as the back. So I'm going lower on the sides and the back. So I'm gonna leave more weight on top. You guys will see exactly how it's going to turn out. Keep watching. The higher I go, the longer I'm keeping the hair, because I want a lot of weight on top. By the way, this was the same wig that I used to do braids for my daughter a few weeks back. I'm gonna go ahead and put the picture of that style on the side, but that's the same wig. I'm wetting the hair with water. That's not alcohol. This is just water. I'm gonna wet it throughout. Make sure it's nice and wet. Comb the curls out. You can tell she is already feeling herself. Look at her. All right now. So I'm doing a little bit more plucking around the edges because I'm trying to make this look as natural as possible. I kind of skipped some steps because I forgot to turn on the camera. I had some products added after I wetted. I'm going to put the link below. Those products are very good for curly hair. And then I tied it around with the wrapping thing, and then I had her go under the dryer for a few minutes, and this is the outcome. This is the outcome, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this cut. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed doing it. Comment, like, subscribe, share, and please subscribe so you can see when I drop them videos. Bye.